Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a dish called tofu sheet veg egg rolls. Just look at this, bright colors, bouncy texture, and a super light dish that's perfect whether you are eating clean or just want something tasty. First, let's prepare the veggies. Here we have shredded carrots, washed spinach, tofu sheets, and 2 eggs. Alright, time to start cooking. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Drop the carrot strips in first. Blanch for about 20 to 30 seconds. Then lift them out and drain well. Next goes the spinach. Same thing, about 20 to 30 seconds. Then take it out and make sure you squeeze out all that excess water. Now put the carrots and spinach together in a bowl. Add 2 eggs. Half a teaspoon white pepper, half a teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon MSG. Mix everything really well. Next, add 4 tablespoons flour and stir again until it's smooth with no lumps. Set that aside. Take 1 tofu sheet. Spread the mixture evenly over the sheet. Then roll it up carefully. Place the roll into the steamer. Once the water is boiling, steam for about 10 minutes. While that's steaming, let's make a dipping sauce. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons black vinegar, and half a tablespoon sesame oil. If you like it spicy, add half a tablespoon chili oil. Stir well and it's ready. Now the roll is done. Slice it into slightly thick pieces. Arrange them nicely on a plate and we're ready to eat. Look at that! Such a beautiful dish. Just dip a slice into the sauce. And wow! Chewy, savory, and so satisfying. Let me try it for you. Wow, it's bouncy, flavorful, and delicious. Even if you are on a diet, this won't weigh you down. Super easy to make, super tasty. You've got to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.